Hello there. I would like to tell you that I would like to invite you to a funeral today. Sorry, I have to work. Oh, that's okay. Wow, some people just think that I can randomly come to their funerals because I have nothing to do. But I'm standing here and I'm working my butt off. So, hello everyone. Welcome to the funeral of Davis Clooney Brimmer. Davis was a good man. I don't know what, and I don't know what made the army kill him. Now, first, let's have his wife come up to speech. Oh, wow, I'm really honored that I can come up here and speech. But this whole day isn't about us. It's about all the memories that we've had with Davis. Davis is the father of my daughter, who I think has a speech. Yes, I have prepared a speech. I can't believe that he died. Thank you. Next up, let's have the General of the Army. Hello everyone. My name is Travis. Davis is just a great man. He always fought for us. He didn't care if something bad happened. He got hit by a bomb once. And when he broke his leg, he still fought. And I hope that everyone else could say that they would do the same. Thank you. So next up we have his first ever girlfriend, Sparkle McGee. Sorry about the stupid name. Oh. But as you can tell, I'm in a special glitter event. And I would just like to say that Davis was the best man I ever dated, and the only one that was willing to date me. By the way, I have a heart on my head. Okay, well, everyone can get going now. The funeral is